Welcome back to another episode, and today I'm going to show you guys how to clean a stainless steel sink. Right now we got a flat bottom stainless steel sink from IKEA, I believe. They also sell these at Home Depot, Lowe's, wherever, whatever. But anyway, I'm going to get straight to the point. You're going to need some of this stuff here called Perfect Sink. I'll put a link in the description so you can order you a bottle of it, but it works pretty good, and I'm going to show you how it works. So I'm gonna flip you around. So basically what we got here is rust in the sink, and this comes from water sitting there and it just turns into surface rust. So this stuff here, it's an abrasive, so it kind of uses harsh, it's kind of like a buffing cream. But anyway, I put it on the, you put it on the surface of the where you want to clean at, and you use a paper napkin, towel, anything clean and dry, and then you just rub it until the surface rust disappears. And what it's doing is it's just buffing it off of the surface. And this stuff also has like a protectant in it, so it'll keep the water from penetrating the metal. So it's one of those things where you gotta upkeep it, but here's the result. After you buff it in and clean it until you see no more rust, you're gonna wanna wipe it. And then after you do the whole entire sink, you're gonna want to rinse it with warm water. And that's that. It works pretty good, as you can see. No more rust, and it's shining like new again. So again, this stuff is called Perfect Sink, and I'll put a link in the description for you. And basically, oh, that was for my thumbnail. And basically, you go ahead and purchase it at Amazon. And make sure you share, subscribe, like, comment. If you got any questions about your sink, I know a little bit about restoring things. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish this up, and I'll show you guys a video clip of it when I'm done. So here's the before. As you can see, it's rusty all at the bottom, all around the edges, surface rust. Okay, so here's the before. And as you can see, here's the end result. I was able to get all of the rust off. Now the sink looks brand spanking new. So this stuff actually works. Got a little bit of water in there that I didn't dry out. But yeah, basically all you do is just use it to clean it, like you're buffing a car. And then you'll see the rust start to melt off as you wipe it and rub it in circles. And then after you get it clean, and you clean all of it, then you're gonna rinse the whole entire sink out, and then you're gonna dry it. Because if you don't dry it, it'll leave water spots. But this is the best stuff I used so far. They don't have a harsh smell. They actually smell like peaches. But yeah. Link in the description. If you're trying to restore your stainless steel sink, you need you some of this. Make sure y'all share, subscribe, and like. And I'll be back with another video soon.